Here's another quick recipe if you are looking for a quick breakfast on the go, nutritious and protein packed. What we're going to be making is egg muffins. So what you want to do is crack about 4 large brown eggs. You want to whisk these. Make sure you whisk them up pretty good. And so I love to have meal preps. It's very good when you're busy. You don't have to think about planning. You just take the food out of the fridge and then warm it up. You want to add a dash of pepper as well as salt to your egg mix. And then you want to just incorporate the spices, the pepper and the salt, and you just want to whisk it again. And so now we're going to prep our pan. I have a non-stick, non-toxic pan. I'll go ahead and link this pan in the description. Now what we're adding is our avocado oil. You don't want to use olive oil, but you want to use avocado oil. And this just is to coat the bottom of the muffin pan to just ensure that once the egg muffins are done, you can just slide them out easily. But they should not stick if you're using a proper non-stick pan. Okay, so now we are just coating our pan. And then I prep some vegetables. You can really put whatever you'd like, but I have some chopped broccoli, some chopped red bell pepper, white onions, and as well as green onions, or I think they call them scallions. Some people go ahead and saute these vegetables separately and then put them down in the pan, but I like to put them in raw, so I do not cook the vegetables. You see, I just simply chop them up, put them at the bottom of the pan, and now I am adding our egg mixture. You're just pouring the egg mixture over top of the top of the vegetables. And then I added some Violife cheddar cheese. So this is vegan cheese. If you want to, you can use dairy cheese, but I do not like the way how dairy makes my body feel. So I tend to not use dairy at all. So I'm going ahead and just pour the last egg muffin, and then I'm putting my cheese and my green onions on top. You're going to put in the oven for 365 for 18 minutes. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. These stay fresh in Ziploc bags for about 4 days, or you can freeze them up into about a month. Please let me know how you like them. Have a wonderful day. And these are going to puff up because egg, of course, it's going to be puffy. That's what makes the egg is what's making it expand. And this is the melted cheese. This is not raw egg. So the egg is completely done. These were so good, so easy to make. Enjoy.